Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to a new video. So guys, this is my new microphone, the Blue Yeti Microphone. So my father went to the US a few days ago and I really wanted to improve my audio quality. So I asked him to get me one of these microphones and I ended up going for the Blue Yeti one. Now, I was thinking I could go for the Blue Snowball, but I was like if I'm investing like once, I might as well get something good instead of buying that good thing, like later on. So hopefully it's a great microphone and hopefully it lasts really long. Well, anyways, getting to the reviews for this microphone, after what I've read on Amazon, it seems extremely good. And for me right now, it's working incredible. It's picking up all the audio, all the features are working fine. All the dials, all the buttons, the volume, gain, pop filters, everything is working really, really cool. So this microphone came for $129, though I bought an entire set for $149. And that set included the microphone itself, which is this one, the red colored microphone. It included this pop filter over here, which basically, like stops all the excess air from going, like all the excess air from going inside the microphone. And it also like extends its durability and something. I also got the boom stand along with it. I'm not sure if you can actually see, but this part over here, it actually connected to my table. And along with this, I also got a set of headphones. Not these headphones. These are my headphones that my grandparents gave me, and they're red colored, which is matching with my microphone. I got some other headphones, like some professional headphones, which I definitely cannot use because the wire, like the end connector thingy, it's like this big. So I don't know, it's probably some like professional, YouTuber stuff or something. But yeah. Now a great thing with this microphone is that it's really, really versatile. So it has a lot of different modes. As you can see, this here is the mute button. So if I were to click it, there you go. Now you can hear me. Then you've got the volume button, which is just for the headphones or the PC. So you can actually connect your headphones into the microphone over here, and it will output your audio or whatever audio you're recording, or the audio on your computer. So I have my computer right over here, and like say I'm playing a game or something, it will record all that audio. I mean, it won't record it; it'll just play it through my headphones, which is a really great thing. And this is the volume dial. So if I want to like decrease, oh sorry, this is increase the volume in my headphones, and this is decrease the volume in my headphones. Right now I can't hear anything. So I'm gonna keep it right in the middle so I can hear what I'm saying because it also gives me that back as well. Um, Now to set this microphone up is really, really simple. All you have to do is, of course, you can connect your headphones. That part is optional. I can use this microphone without the headphones as well, except right now I can't really hear what I'm saying, which is a little weird for me because I've already recorded a few videos hearing what I'm saying through my headphones. So let's put those back on. So you can record it without your headphones, but I just prefer with my headphones. Um, Now, then the next thing you have to do is connect this wire over here. I don't think you can see it, but it's a USB wire, so it can pretty much go into every single computer, right? Because a lot of headphones don't have the USB; they have some like other stuff. But this one is a USB wire, so you can connect it pretty much wherever you want. I have an extension, so that should be just fine. Now, if you want to know more about this microphone, there is a booklet that comes with it. It's a really nice box, by the way. It's really, well built and stuff. Um, but you've got this booklet that comes called the Yeti, and it has information on pretty much every thing that you can do with the Yeti. So it has a mute button, status light, headphone volume control, headphone output, USB connection, blue logo. Yeah, so it has a bunch of different stuff. Now this can work on pretty much every platform. So right now I'm using it on my Windows PC, but so yeah. Now this also contains a guide to the 4 modes that are available in the Blue Yeti microphone. So these are the 4 modes. I'll go into that right now. The first one is called the stereo mode. And the stereo mode is basically voice that comes from the front. So this is the front of the microphone. It's a condenser microphone. It has three of them actually. So the Blue Yeti is not one microphone. It's a combination of three microphones. The first one is on the front over here. Second one is over here. Third one, yeah. So basically that's the three microphones. So in the first mode, which is stereo, you can speak through the front. So the voice goes into the front. It goes into both the sides as well. So right now I'm in this mode called cardioid, where the voice is only taken in from the front. And to change the mode of the microphone, all you have to do is go around this corner. You've got a few buttons over here, and if you look at the booklet, you've got these different symbols. That's for stereo, that's for cardioid, and those symbols are actually present over here. And all you have to do to change them is just do that. Oh, sorry, no, that's my gain. There we go. Yes, so I think that there is stereo. So this you can hear me from here. You can hear me from here, and you can't really hear me from here now. And I can turn around and you can hear me from here as well. So that's the stereo. And the good thing is, if you are wearing headphones like I am, it's a little weird because if you're speaking from over here, then the voice is going to go into this headphone. Whereas if you're speaking from here, it's going to go into both of them. Whereas if you're speaking from here, it's just going to go into this one. Okay, so next mode is the omnidirectional mode. I can speak wherever I want on my microphone, including the back. Oops. And the voice will still reach. The next mode is the cardioid. There we go. And the cardioid mode only takes your input from the front of the microphone. So if I try speaking from here, there's not too much sound. If I try speaking from here, again, not too much sound. If I try speaking from here, not too much sound either. So that was the cardioid mode. And the next one is called the bidirectional mode. Yes, so the bidirectional mode takes your input from two sides of the microphone. So you can hear me from here, and not really from here, and not really from here, but you can hear me from here. And all these modes have the different uses. So stereo one could be used for your voices and instruments, whereas the one that I use, it's the cardioid mode, is mostly used for YouTube videos, podcasts, and that sort of stuff. The omnidirectional mode can be used for like orchestras and stuff, whereas the bidirectional, I mean, of course, for interviews, so you have one person sitting over here and you have another person sitting over there. So that is the bi-directional, and like those are all the different types of modes that you have. What you also have in this microphone is the feature to increase and decrease your gain. So there, I've increased my gain, and that means the voice is actually louder. And here, I've actually decreased it, so you can't actually hear me properly. Okay, and I better change to cardioid because otherwise the sound would be a little weird. But yeah. Now, one thing to note is that in the beginning, your microphone is not actually going to come like this. So in the beginning, when your microphone first arrives, it's actually going to come with its own stand. It's not going to come with the boom arm that I have right now. Now I apologize if my voice sounds a little weird. It's because currently I'm using my hand as a place to put my microphone on. But this is the stand that it comes with, and as you can see, it's pretty nice looking. To remove the microphone off the stand, you just need to open up these screws over here, and the functionality of the microphone is pretty much the same. You can again like turn the microphone like this and stuff, which is something that you couldn't do over here. But I mean, this boom stand is pretty good as well. So again, to open it up, just open up one of these screws. And then what you can do is take the microphone and put it on the boom stand using the screw over here, and it'll work very nice because you can adjust it however you want. Now I really recommend you guys getting this microphone, as it is it's in a very nice price range, and it's only $129. I mean, it is a lot, but for microphone this quality, I think it's perfectly fine. Also, this is the raw footage from my microphone. There's no edited footage. Right now I will show you the comparison between my microphone, my computer, and my mobile. But yeah, the microphone also comes in different colors. So this is the red color, for example. It also comes in a green, it comes in blue, silver, copper, gold. Comes in a lot of different colors, and it's a very nice microphone. I really recommend it to everyone who wants to get a beginner microphone for themselves. And I mean, to be fair, it's not really a beginner microphone. It's a very nice quality, high brand microphone, made by Blue. And so yeah, again, as I said, I'll show you the comparison right now. Links will be down in the description for those who want to buy this microphone. But let's go with the comparison. So this is the voice from my Blue Yeti microphone. This is the voice from my mobile, and right now this is the voice from my computer's inbuilt microphone, and my computer is a Microsoft Surface Pro. So, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like down below because it helps with the channel, and comment down anything about your microphone. A lot of people own the Blue Yeti microphone, so comment down how you have set it up, and what editing slash setup works for you guys, and helps you produce the best audio. Again, I said links for the microphone will be down in the description. And anyways, guys, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe because keeps me inspired. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.